Is there still an opportunity to make money on Amazon doing wholesale today?
Yes, there's absolutely an opportunity. There's, just boundless opportunity. Not only is there opportunity, there's a ton of it. What I will say is the barrier to entry to wholesale is getting a little bit tougher as we go. I think the name of the game this year and going forward is more brand direct partnerships and being more than just a reseller, buying for $5, selling for $10. There are plenty of brands you can do that with still and distributors you can buy from. But I think in the next, 5 to 10 years, there's going to be sort of a consolidation where brands really just want to either sell themselves on Amazon or sell to Amazon or partner exclusively with a competent Amazon seller. That said, there are thousands and thousands and thousands of brands out there, endless opportunity for those willing to contact the brands and create value add services for brands. So there's absolutely opportunity. And one analogy I like to talk about in terms of opportunity, if you think about brands, it's not some static thing where like the leading brands of today are going to be the leading brands of a century from now. Everything is dynamic. Brands are either gaining popularity, gaining market share, or they've peaked, or they're losing popularity and losing market share. Like think about like a Revlon, for instance. Like it was a multi-billion-dollar like leading beauty brand, and now I think they filed for bankruptcy fairly recently or some sort of restructuring, and it just doesn't have the same cachet that it once did. So brands are either growing or they're dying, and so really the opportunity is capitalizing on brands that are growing. So the brands, the $10 billion or $100 billion brands of tomorrow are nothing today. They're just ideas in someone's head today. So there's always going to be a new stream of brands entering, the river that is Amazon. So and then there's always going to be some popular brands that are kind of dying and exiting the river. So it's kind of like circle of life. It's like endless regeneration of brands coming in, brands leaving, brands, maintaining. So as provided that there's, thousands of brands every single year coming on, and, those brands initially don't have a clue with Amazon, and they'd love to partner with someone who does have a clue, that's going to be a constant stream that I don't see ending anytime in the near future. So given that, I think there's going to be opportunity long-term to partner with brands to sell on Amazon.